Vladimir. There's the Sam way, and then there's the Word way. The Sam way is to just right click, go up here where it says Insert, and insert below. I think it says at the bottom of the table. Insert below. What? Hey, let's try a different Sam way. Oh, let's try this. I'll bet you. They're so picky about the way they want it. There you go. Has to be on the last one. Okay. When you do it in Word, you can do it in any of those ways, and it will let you insert the row at any spot in there. But that's how Sam wants it done. Good luck. Let me know if you need another one.